In previous class, we discussed narration and all kinds of sentence, assertive, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory already has been finished. Now, we are going to in passage narration. Going to discuss passage narration. Before this, now look at chart. We know assertive sentence. Omit said to. You have to change 4 kinds of rules. Said to, comma, inverted comma, person, and tense. Assertive sentence said to. You have to change said or told, comma, inverted comma. That then you have to person. We know that 3 kinds of person: first person, second person, third person. First person indicate recording verb subject. Second person indicate recording verb object. Then you have to change tense according to tense. In previous class I discussed. Okay. Interrogative, you have to write said or said to, asked. Then comma, inverted comma, you have to write if or WS question. When you have to write if or WS question, that I told you how to when you write if or WS question. If starting to be verb or auxiliary verb or helping verb or am, is, or was, or have, as, can, could, may, might, shall, should, do, did, does. Then you have to write if. Otherwise, starting WH question, what, when, what, who, which, whom, who, how. Then you have to write WH question. Same person and tense, same. No sense. Optative, omit, said or said to, wished, correct, comma, inverted comma, that, person same, tense same. Exclamatory, exclaim or exclaim to with joy or exclaim to with sorrow, comma, inverted comma, that, person and tense same. Imperative sentence, said or said to, told, requested, ordered, advised, and so on. But comma, inverted comma, to and after verb, rest of the sentence. Thus, it is for very easy before I. Now look, you have to write this. Mina said to me, are you going to school? Comma, a question, inverted comma, again inverted comma, no, I am going to the library. Now, put down what you see on the monitor. Put down what you see on the monitor. Hurry up. Mina said to me, are you going to school? No, I am going to school. Who can answer the? Who can make it indirect
I
speech?
can.
Okay.
Sir, Mina asked me if I was going to school.
Okay.
I replied in the negative that I.
No, okay. I replied in the
negative.
Okay.
I replied in the negative that I was going to the library.
Going to the library. Okay. Now look, here starting to be verb or auxiliary verb. That is yes, no question. Okay. So you have to write omit comma, inverted comma. You have to write if. Then person. Here you second person indicate reporting verb object me. So you have to write subject I. Then verb am, is, or omit am, is, or you have to write was. Okay. I was going to school. Okay. Next, no, I'm going to the library. Who said it? I. Okay, I replied for answer in the negative. Okay, I replied in the I replied in the negative. Then I am going to the library. I said again. So, and also added again, said that. Also said that, added that, again said that. Okay? As you like. I was going to the library. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mina asked me if I was going to school. Oh, sorry. Why? Here, not the school. Who can answer? The school. Same school, college, court, masjid, mosque. Why? Before, not the. Who can answer? Suppose I was going to school. Why not the school? Here,
স্যার আমরা জানি যে কোন ইসের মানে কোন নির্দিষ্ট করে যে জায়গাটা বোঝায় সেটার সামনে দা বসে। এখন স্কুলটা নির্দিষ্ট করা নাই যে আমি কোন স্কুলে যাচ্ছি এরকম কিছু।
basically it is not. Basically, institution. Okay, school, college, court, masjid, bed. These are a institution. Before institution, your initial work. Before initial work, we need not use article the. Suppose I go to school, not I go to the school. But now look, my father went to the school to meet the headmaster. Basically, my father not go to school for school, only meet the headmaster. So before the school, you have to use the. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Same code, masjid, mosque, as usual. Okay. Okay. Next. Shuja said, "Are you going to school?" Yes, I am. Do you want to go with me? Said Kamal. Now, what's your answer? Who can answer? Or who can make it indirect speech? Who can?
Sir, I can, sir. Sir, I
Okay,
can, sir.
okay, answer.
Sir, Shuja asked me that if I was going to school, I replied in the affirmative and again said that I was. She again asked me, sir, I again asked her that if he wanted to go with me.
Okay. Who can answer?
If he wanted to go with him.
Who can answer? Another person?
Sir, can I try?
Yes.
Shuja asked Kamal if he was going to school. Kamal replied in the affirmative and again said that he was. Kamal again asked Shuja if he wanted to go with him.
Zubair Zaman.
Ji sir.
Yes, okay, thank you. Now look, basically here Shuja and Kamal, Shuja is speaker and Kamal spoken at first. Okay, so Shuja asked Kamal if he, where he, that is K, that is Kamal. Okay, because here Shuja and Kamal both are male. Okay, so you have to write in bracket K or S. If he was going to school. Okay, any question here? Hello.
No sir.
Okay, Kamal replied in the affirmative. Replied in the affirmative. And said that, or again said that, or added that he was going to school. Okay? Have you understood? Said, why are you? Now, and said that he was going to school. Okay? Then, do you want to go with me? Who make this question? Kamal. Okay? Said, why are you disturbing? Next time I will remove you. Okay. Then, and if you, okay, then he said, oh sorry, then he asked Shuja if he wanted to go with him. Okay? Have you understood? Any question here? Alamin. Any question?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Next. Now look. The teacher said, why are you talking in the class? Sorry, sir. I am asking a pen to Labib. My pen has been lost, said Kamal. Now, write put down what you see on the monitor at first. Who can answer? The teacher said, why are you talking in the class? Why are you talking in the class? Sorry, sir. I am asking a pen to Ravi. My pen has been lost. Said Kamal. Who can answer?
Sir, I can, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I can, sir.
Okay. No.
Sir, the teacher asked Kamal why he was talking in the class.
Okay.
So Kamal respectfully said that he was sorry
Hmm.
and added that he was asking a pen to Labib.
Hmm.
And he also said that his pen had been lost.
Okay, good. Another is another is yes. Shuman Vishwas. Can you make it indirect speech? Shuman.
স্যার কি
Yes.
স্যার কোনটা রিয়েল স্পেস করতে হবে
The teacher said, why are you talking in the class? This part we have to indirect speech in yellow color.
দ্যাট ইজ স্যার আস্ক he replied
Okay. Now look, in previous time, okay, the teacher asked Kamal why he was talking in the class. Okay, no question here. But sorry, sir. Here is a question. Now look, sorry, sir. The sentence has a vocative case. This is a vocative case. Sorry, sir. A vocative case. If you find in direct speech in vocative case, at first you have to write addressing. Addressing. Who address? Whom address? Kamal addressed the teacher. So addressing him as sir. Okay. Kamal replied that he was sorry. Have you understood? And said that, or added that, or also said that, or again said that, he was asking a pen to Labi. Because his pen lost. Have you understood? After some times ago, the person who answered that is correct and it is also correct. Okay. Now look, the teacher asked Kamal why he was talking in the class. addressing him as sir, or he replied with respect, okay, or respectfully, and said that he was as usual, same, okay, or addressing him as sir, no problem. Next, at first, put down what you say on the monitor. At first, put down what you say on the monitor. Have you finished? Dibakar Rai. Have you completed? Dibakar.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now make it indirect speech.
The old man requested to the maid to give him some food and added that he had been starving for 3 days.
Okay.
The maid asked why he begged and again asked and again asked uh, uh,
It's a yes no question. So you have to write if. Okay.
if yeah, okay sir, if
Hmm. If
if he
hmm,
could
couldn't
if he could not work,
what? Okay.
the old man replied in the negative that he was unable to work.
Okay. Okay. Good. Now look again. The old man requested. The old man requested the maid. Okay. It's imperative sentence, so you have to write to. After to bhar, they are give bhar. Then you have to write rest of the sentence, but after bhar, you have to write objects or person sense. So give, sorry. Give him some food. I have been starving for 2 days. The old man said again, okay, and also said or added that, again said that he had been starving for 3 days. Okay. Why do you beg? The maid asked the old man or him. Old man or him. Why he begged? Why he begged? And also asked him if he couldn't work. Okay. Have you understood? Then the old man replied in the negative and added that he was unable to work. Have you understood? Any question here? Hello? Have you any question here? Abdullah Siddiq. Alanin. Any question here?
Yes, sir.
Any question
sir.
here? No. Okay,
No,
thank
sir.
you. Okay.
No, sir.
Okay. Now look. Any question in narration? My dear students, have you any question here in narration?
No, sir.
No, sir. Okay, thank you. Okay,
No, sir.
thank you. You're